Hey guys, so gonna do something a little bit different today. Tristan and I did go out today to a couple different spots and didn't do so well. But don't worry, there will be fishing at the end of the video. Just stick around, because today, for the first part of this video, I am going to be showing you the new equipment that I got. I got a pretty small little, not even tackle box, just bait box pretty much, with a couple different things on it. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. All right, so first I'm gonna show you a couple crankbaits that came with the set. Don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description for where I got all these baits from. It's just from Amazon, but you can buy it for a couple bucks, and you can try it out yourself. So this is the first crankbait that we have here. Nice little fish here. So there's that. The set came with 3 crankbaits. Me personally, I think this one just looks the coolest. But yeah, there's another one. So yeah, there's that one. And the final one is this one here. Got a little marble in there, I'm guessing for weight distribution. But yeah, this one's the longest one out of all of them. But yeah, so those are the crankbaits that came with the set. So now, after those crankbaits, what we have next, most of this stuff is like plastic silicone lures. There are some little spinners in here, and I'm gonna get to those now. Just this one here, this little treble hook with little feathers on it. Little spinner. It's that one. Yeah, this one over here. There's this one here, and a little tiny little spinner with a single hook. Another one of those, just silver. Other one was gold with a single hook. We have 2 more with treble hooks, one silver, one gold. Silver one with the little diamond plating, and this one here. Yeah, so there are the spinners, and the rest of this stuff is mainly silicone stuff, but I'm just going to show you a couple of each. We also came with 2 jig heads, but I used one the other day, so it's in my actual big tackle box. But yeah, so there's that jig head. All right, so some of the silicone baits that we have here, little white shrimp and a crawfish type bait. I'm sure bass would go for this one over here pretty well. And we have a little shad bait here. Nice and sparkly. It's pretty thin. Looks exactly like a shad. Bass go nice. Bass will go crazy for that thing. And we have a couple spinners, a couple spinner worms. And they go on a jig. Got some red worms. Got some red worm type baits. Small little suckers. We have a frog here. Little frog that'll pop on the water. You have, there's 3 of each of these. So 3 green crickets and a fly, 3 flies. They look about the same, so. And I think to wrap this up, it also comes with a couple of these little worms here. So the whole thing is about 78 pieces, about a 78 piece set. It also comes with these things. There's a couple extra of these little heart-shaped plastic pieces to help the spinners move. It comes with some extra hooks and some extra swivels as well. So, all right, that's it for the tackle box review, the new equipment review. So we're gonna get into the fishing and just in this next clip. Something. I think it's just a bluegill. And that's exactly what it is on that really freaking enormous hook. Oh man, that hooked real bad. All right, a little bluegill. That's hooked terrible. There we go. Got the hook out. Should be fine. Little bluegill. Yeah, he's fine. I'm fishing right on the edge. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Nice. Bass?
Yep. Quit moving. Stop flopping.
Yo, how you look these open? No.
Nice little bass.
Nice. That's the same size I caught last time, right?
Yeah, pretty similar.
It's probably the same one, really.
All right, stop flopping. I know. The more you flop, the worse it is for you. Oh, and I get it lipped. All right, bud. Nice. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah. It just got so much heavier. You've got to be